how to fix payment declined on App Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually fix your payment declined on App Store. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix payment declined on your App Store, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and actually open the settings app here. The error payment decline happens on your App Store because your payment method is not verified from your Apple ID. So to fix this, open settings app, tap your Apple ID profile from the very top, and then just go to the option called payment and shipping. Once you go to the option called payment and shipping, it might ask you to verify with your Face ID here. So just go ahead and try to verify your Face ID. Once you verify your Face ID, on the next page it will take you to the page where you can see your payment details. So you want to simply make sure to actually remove all the payment details that you have, and once you make sure that you've removed all the payment details, you can just try to add a new one by either tapping the credit or debit card option or adding PayPal or whatever else you prefer. And this way you can go ahead and fix payment decline on App Store. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.